Look at here. We are on top of a mountain, Walbran Mountain, to see the whole view of Victoria. Wow, this is super cool. This is Victoria view from top of Mount Tolney. Looks awesome. Hey all, we are here in Walbran Hill, Gonzales Hill as well. The local people will call Gonzales Hill here. So we found a small parking here. So actually from this you can see a side of Victoria from the lookout. Yeah, as I heard, I just read somewhere that we can see a view that was used during World War II. I think that was a lookout view. You can go there and see the view, I guess. Yeah, I'm trying to show you guys a better view of Victoria from top of the mountain here. This one is Walbran Park, right? Walbran Park, and I heard that local people will call Gonzales Hill as well. Gonzales Hill Regional Park. Okay, cool. Yeah, after you park there, it's a 20-meter. If you can further drive there, but there's all private areas there, private residents there. Yeah, this is the way, small way here to go to the top of the mountain here. Okay, Walbran Park. Whoa, we can see the bay there already.
I think like that's what we see from here is like water.
But we should
Like
be able to see Victoria town as well, right?
I think
Oh yeah, we can see Victoria there. That's
yeah,
that's
but
the whole
not
Victoria,
from
right?
here. Yeah.
Okay. Anyway,
But
that's
it's mainly this one.
mm-hmm.
Then we have to go to another one to see.
Yeah, we still have time, so we can go to the next one.
Yeah. So if you see on the other side, you probably see.
Wow, yeah, I still can see awesome view here. Okay, look at here. European exploration in the Strait of Juan de Fuca. Okay.
Well, actually, you can say Victoria and.
Yeah. This is a great historic site. Wow, the view is cool from here. Right? Woo.
From here.
You can see a really breathtaking view from here. Wow. No, full 360 you can see from here. Oh, wow. This is really cool. Let me show you guys from the other side.
So, are we allowed to drive down there from
Yeah.
this way?
Yeah.
We can drive to that street.
Yeah, we could go there.
Or is there at the end of the road?
No, we could go down there and then keep going, and we'll be on the other side.
Because around the house.
Yeah. This is other side. Wow. See the whole Victoria here. Oh, all the way up to there. It's really cool, eh?
The paddling there. There.
Where?
See?
Yeah. Oh, you know what? I can see lighthouse there.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah, so that's probably the Strait de Juan, right?
Strait de Juan? Yeah.
But then I thought it was supposed to be Georgia Strait here.
Oh, this is the Strait de Juan. Yeah, right? Wow.
Not 100% sure, but it is sure amazing.
It's amazing, yeah.
And do you know all the places I saw?
How do you know about this place? This is very cool place here.
Oh, because I was googling where to see the
Victoria.
view of Victoria, and
Yeah.
then in many places it said Tolitum Park or something, and then go to Douglas Park for like cool trail.
Mm-hmm.
But then when I was writing, then the Google search was recommending like many parks. So when I went inside this one, I saw the picture.
Oh.
Then it seemed like a nice view of the ocean, like this side.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's why I picked this one. But I was kind of worried when I saw this. I'm like, oh, okay. I don't know how it
No,
is.
this is really cool. What we'll do, see, there is a, I think we can walk over there and
I
see the,
really like
yeah, I
this
see
thing
some people
here.
are walking there.
I think it's just a walk.
Yeah.
Yeah, so then you can see the other side. But I like this side because
Yeah.
it has both.
Cool. Wow, this was a great lookout point from here. So we never, yeah, we never expected that it's gonna be so beautiful view from here, right? So it's really worth it, guys. So
So all credits to
all credit to Susma. Yay! Yeah, if you're visiting Victoria, come to these lookouts. This is really good place, right? Yeah, it's awesome. Yeah. Okay.
not as much snow though. Does it get as snowy? Does it snow there?
Oh, not too slow.
You have been to Saskatchewan. Alright, sounds good. Jump.